Magnificent 7 series. Maybe there should be a Magnificent 8, including Netflix. So we got a Magnificent 7 plus Netflix. We'll take a look at Netflix here on TradingView. And first we'll start with some fundamentals. We'll look at the volume is about 4 million. The average volume for 30 days is about 2.75 million. Market cap is 301 billion. Looking at earnings, we had 3 out of the 4 last quarters we had a beat. And the next earnings is coming up October 17th. So you can also see that on the chart as well by clicking on the E there. And you can see as we get closer to that date, you'll see the progress there. All right, looking at let's look at the income statement. So income statement wise, they're doing pretty well. Looks like close to 2.5 billion income. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. So assets over liabilities doing pretty well there as well. And we could also look at the cash flow information here. All right, let's continue on. Let's put this back on income statement. We'll continue on. All right, so for the past year, they're up 81%. Year to date, 45%. And then you can just see how well they've done all year. Netflix is not one to be counted out, regardless of the streaming platforms. Netflix always performs. So technical rating is a buy. Analyst rating is a buy. Let's take a deeper look at the analyst rating. So about 28% of analysts believe that the price will go to 900. Then we have about 1% think it'll go to 709. And then we have about 22% that think it is going to drop down to 545. So you can see the distribution on that. We'll go ahead and close that out. We'll take a look at the chart. So looking at the chart, this is a daily chart. And you'll see price as we look at the swings. And what we're looking at is Fibonacci swings. So we're looking at the swing from here to about here. And it has pulled back into about the 61.8, and it took off from there. We got up to our initial price target. The next price target is about 740. So we'll watch and see if we can maintain above about the 700 level in order to move on up to 740. So we'll continue to watch Netflix on that. Everything is looking pretty good for that to happen. So that's the forecast for Netflix.